Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Uber saying your payment failed, not accepting your card, or not letting you request a ride because of a payment issue? Here's exactly what to do, and it takes less than a minute. First, open the Uber app, tap on the menu icon in the top left, and tap Wallet. Check which payment method is selected and whether your card shows any warning. If your card has expired, tap on it and update the expiry date. If the card looks fine but the payment is failing, then tap Add Payment Method and the same card add it again. Sometimes a card needs to be re-added to reset the connection with your bank. Also, try switching to a different payment method for the ride. Tap your current method on the ride booking screen and then choose a different card or PayPal if you have one link. If Uber keeps saying payment failed and you know the card is good, the issue is your bank flagging Uber as an unusual charge. Open your bank app and check if any fraud alerts or blocks. Approve your Uber through your bank and the payment will go through. So all you've got to do is check your card in the Uber wallet, re-add it if needed, try a different payment method and check your bank for fraud blocks. Uber payment will work.